How to build a porcelain box to hide sink drain pipes, clean and modern bathroom finish. Welcome to the channel. Here you'll find practical and professional tutorials on ceramic, porcelain, and marble installation, with real on-site techniques and clean finishes you can apply step by step. The goal is simple: share useful knowledge that helps you improve your skills and achieve high quality results in your own projects. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to follow the channel and stay updated with new videos. Your support really makes a difference. Feel free to leave your comments, questions, and even your critiques. All feedback is welcome and helps us improve and bring you better content. Let me know what you'd like to see next. In this detailed tutorial, you will learn how to build a custom porcelain box to neatly hide the sink drain pipes. Siphon under a hand wash basin, creating a clean, modern, and professional bathroom finish. This step-by-step guide is designed for both beginners and experienced craftsmen who want to improve the final look of their installations while maintaining functionality and easy access for maintenance. The video begins with proper planning and measurement, showing how to accurately mark the area around the sink pipes to ensure the porcelain box fits perfectly without affecting the plumbing system. You will see how to choose the right porcelain tiles, taking into account thickness, durability, and design to match the surrounding bathroom decor. Careful measuring and marking are essential to avoid mistakes and ensure symmetry, especially in tight spaces under the sink. Next, we demonstrate the correct way to cut porcelain tiles with precision using both manual tools and electric cutting machines. Special attention is given to cutting around pipes and corners, ensuring clean edges and avoiding cracks or breakage. You'll learn professional techniques for shaping tiles to fit around the siphon while maintaining a smooth and polished appearance. The installation process is explained in detail, including how to prepare the surface, apply adhesive properly, and fix the porcelain pieces securely in place. We also cover alignment techniques to keep everything straight and level, which is crucial for achieving a high-end result. Tips are shared on how to leave access points if needed, so the hidden pipes can still be reached for future repairs or maintenance. Sealing and finishing are key parts of the process, and this video shows how to properly fill joints, smooth edges, and clean the surface for a flawless final look. You'll discover how small finishing details can make a big difference in transforming an ordinary sink area into a stylish and organized space. Throughout the tutorial, practical tips and common mistakes are highlighted to help you avoid problems and save time on your projects. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of how to create a durable, aesthetically pleasing porcelain box that enhances the overall appearance of your bathroom while hiding unwanted plumbing elements. This method is ideal for modern bathrooms, renovations, and professional tile work projects where attention to detail and clean design are essential. Follow along and upgrade your craftsmanship with this simple yet highly effective technique.
ليش هذا حجاج؟ راه هذاك النهار لقيت الباب مسدود، هذاك الشيء علاش كنت الجرده؟ ياك سمعت هذاك النهار فاش لقيتو داخل الباب مسدود، هذاك الباب ديال الجرده ما كانش مكلول. ما كنتش كيفاش خرجوا هذيك الساعه. الله يعقل هذاك الجو صعيب. Ja, weiß, klar, okay. Da war was. Das stimmt nicht. Jetzt der Dog der Yes.